Here in Arizona, especially after the rainy season, we're going to be getting a lot of insects, and in order to control them this year, we're going to be using BugMD's essential pest control option, which, as you can see, uses clove oil and cottonseed oil, and then a bunch of inert ingredients. This is effective for ants, ticks, fleas, bed bugs, mites, roaches, spiders, and flies. So really looking forward to trying this out. We went with 32 ounce. Comes with the sprayer right away, and the sprayer is long enough to reach down to the bottom of this large container. This one is good for indoor and outdoor and can be used around pets and kids. It's clove oil and cottonseed oil. It is a contact eliminator, so you can spray the pests directly and it'll have effect. You want to read the whole directions there to get all the uses for it, but it looks like a good all-around crawling insect option for us. We want to thank BugMD for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.